Well, today's RBI is going all in on the stock market because it has been a brutal tape lately. Yesterday just added to much of that misery with some of the biggest one-day drops that we have seen in a while. And while it certainly can be painful day to day, remember, as Jim Cramer says, there's always a bull market somewhere. And as hard as it is to believe, there are stocks and sectors going up, even making new highs, which is all pretty amazing in this market. So instead of piling on with the pain, let's get random but interesting on some things that have been working lately. Of course, it doesn't mean they're going to keep going up, but at least we can put them on your radar. All right, first up, some of the oil and gas stocks going up yesterday. You know all the big ones that move, but these may not get as much attention because the refinery stocks, they are really outperforming, especially Tuesday. Names like Valero and mid-caps like PBF and Delek, they actually rose yesterday. Marathon Petroleum and RPC, which, by the way, is the company we talked about the other day as well, also doing well. So no doubt you've heard a lot about energy this year, but it's not just about those. Actually, there's a good number of non-energy winners lately. So some stocks at or near all-time highs include J&J and Coca-Cola, both maybe helping keep the Dow from sinking even more. Take a look at Cerner and WEC Energy. That's the old Wisconsin Electric, also popping lately. And speaking of momentum, some really interesting stocks that we don't talk about much doing well this month, even as the macro markets have been, dare we say, pretty awful. Look at these April returns. Ross Stores, it's up 14% in April. Kimberly-Clark, hey, everybody needs toilet paper. It's up 13%. Lamb Weston Holdings, who? It's not Smith & Wesson. This is Lamb Weston. They're a potato provider. You want fries with that? Well, a lot of people do. And Lamb Weston stock is up 11% in April. Also, some smaller stocks rocking lately. You got SailPoint Holdings. That's a digital ID company, up 25%. AutoNation, you know them, American Campus Communities. And even old Ollie's Bargain Outlet. Shares there are up 14%. In fact, speaking of Ollie's, many discount stores like an Ollie's, including Target, Dollar Tree, Dollar General, they're seeing a lot of buyers lately. Now, could that be on fear of a slowdown? Maybe. But the macro point of this RBI is that even in the worst markets, there are usually some things that are working. You just got to kind of know where to look. And of course, we are here to help. Take a look at those stocks.